Hello, OFP Nation. It is Wednesday, December 18th, 2024, and we are here for our midweek analysis. Who is with us today? Let us know in the comments. If you're here live, let us know who you are and where you're from so we can shout you out and say hello. And for those of you who are watching the replay, hello, welcome. Yeah, Nick, are you with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I remembered that time. I remembered to call you by.
Thank you.
Yo, Akeem from
Again.
Atlanta. Hey, Akeem, you missed a very interesting Forex Focus podcast live on Monday. We had a very interesting topic, and we had moments where your presence would have been so lovely. So we miss you on the podcast. When you've got time in your schedule, be sure to come say hello to us. Who else is with us today before we dive into this analysis? I was trying to go live on Instagram, guys, but I don't know what's going on with this Instagram go live button. I don't know. Je ne sais. Hi, Stefan from Romania. Oh, Romanian. Let me see if I know any Romanian. I know a song in Romanian that I really love. It's like Sunt doar un om, un visator, sunt doar un om, oh. And then I think it goes, Ce te iubesc nom. Did I do that right? Did I get my words right, Stefan from Romania? I love that song, by the way. Beautiful song.
I have no idea.
Yes, he said yes. So, sunt doar un om, un visator. He's saying I'm just a man who loves you very much. Ce te iubesc nom. It's very similar to like,
Italian.
like Italian, Spanish. Yeah, that's why I can understand. So,
I
yeah.
think the only Romanian song I know is Tu la vivi. I'm not even sure if that's Romanian or Italian.
Oh man,
But I'm sure you know it.
congratulations. Un visator. Yeah, a dreamer. Yeah. Ce te iubesc. Te iubesc. Stefan, te iubesc. I don't know you, but I send love to you, my friend. Yeah, Akeem, congratulations on your move to Florida, brother. Best wishes to you on that. Man, you have no idea. We have a good time behind the scenes. All right, guys. So let's not take too much of your time. We want to get into these charts and see what's going. Hey, I just had a TP get hit on Aussie Swiss franc, so I was celebrating. But
I just had my stop loss hit. But anyways,
Nick, on the other hand, he's not in love with the markets today. So we all have our good days and our bad days. But let's dive into this analysis. If you guys have any pairs you want us to look at for you, of course, as always, let us know once we look at our watch list. And are you ready, my friend?
yes, I was born ready. I'm just laughing at what Akim is saying. That let me find out he's the karaoke king.
Man, you should, hey, there isn't a party in my family's house without a karaoke machine. And so every special occasion we pull it out. So you know. All right. You ready? You ready to dive in?
Yeah.
All
Let's get this. Let's get this.
Let's get down to business.
All right. So, welcome everyone. Yeah, it seems our trade idea on Ethereum dollar seems to be going quite well right now, all thanks to the Fed interest rate cuts. Like everything has been dollar favor, just like a few hours ago. So the markets have gone ballistic right now. So that's what we're seeing right now at this point. So we're still aiming to come all the way down here to 3,300 on Ethereum. Yeah, so no biggie on that one. Literally, crypto pairs have what can I say? They have been discounted at this point. Like Bitcoin is already down. Let's see how far it can go. Because right now I can say it has broken the trend line. And right now it's also at a level of support. So once we just go below 100,000, I believe we can be looking for shorting opportunities. If not, then we're still on our way to 135,000 for Bitcoin. So that is what I'm anticipating. So let's actually look and get into um, the dollar index first. I feel it's the most important thing we need to always look at before we even go anywhere far. Yeah, so let's look at the dollar index. So USDX. So dollar index, yeah, it has skyrocketed at this point. It's now made a new high and it failed to continue its downward move to the downside. So as of now, we are literally not looking to short until this trend line is broken. And for this trend line to be broken, I think we'll have to like have a series of movements then continue to the upside. But for it to just suddenly drop and break this trend line is highly unlikely. So the dollar will be probably strengthening until the end of the year. That's my assumption. So that is what we are actually looking at currently. So let us now jump into the other pairs. So let's start with dollar Mexican. Uh, Still loading. So dollar Mexican, still haven't. Okay, I don't know what happened. Seemed like it didn't manage to log in. Okay, I think we're logged in now. So dollar Mexican, we spiked back to the upside, and yeah, we did reach, oh well, almost reached where we thought the market would come to, but we just touched it slightly, but didn't really go beyond this level. And right now, the market just reversed from here and went all the way up because of the Fed interest rate. So for now, we're just still watching and seeing what happens next. Dollar yen, we don't even need to say much. Dollar yen is not really giving us any reason to short it immediately, but so far it's doing well as it continues to the upside. And yeah, we shall see how far this goes. If we do have any continued downside movement, we'll probably enter into a sell opportunity. But as of now, dollar yen is still strong to the upside. Let's look at pound yen. Pound yen hasn't really done anything. It has just been like moving sideways. So for this one, nothing much to do. US 30. Whoa, look at that candle. Yes. We entered all the way here and we're just getting very close to our take profit area. So yeah, the Fed interest rate was not playing around. It just brought up one huge candle on US 30. I believe it's probably the same scenario with NAS 100. Yep, same scenario with NAS 100. Like the trend line has literally been broken. We actually had like a trend line right here. Trend line would have been right here. So it has literally been broken. Support has been broken. Would I say this would be a great time to short it? Yeah, most definitely. Most definitely. This is definitely a great time to short NAS 100. And an area for take profit is where we initially thought it to be, which was down right here at 18,590. So that's where our take profit is. Stop loss all the way up there. So in the next coming weeks, I do anticipate some further movement to the downside, probably up to here. If not, NASDAQ likes to go all the way up, but we are concluding the year, so this is totally normal that NAS 100 is giving up gains, indices is giving up gains. So this is totally normal. We have never really had like a full year where the candle closes completely full. There's always like bit of gains that it needs to lose. So it seems at this point people are also like cashing out for December. So that's why there's been this really, really, really sharp move to the downside. And then let's also look at euro dollar. Euro dollar, we seem to be getting close to our stop loss, but we're still holding this. But then, because of the dollar index, we might actually be hitting our stop loss very soon. So keep that in mind. As for pound dollar, it's also the same scenario. We don't need to think twice about this. So we're still like in a decline right now, but we're still holding. We're still holding. We'll see where this takes us in the next couple of weeks. And also Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand is going well to the upside. Our take profit, which is all the way up there, is still underway. Let's also look at CADS Swiss. CAD Swiss, we are literally not even close to our, what can I say? We didn't really touch the resistance level, so there's nothing much to do on CAD Swiss. We just need to wait and watch. Then also gold. Gold has really broken my heart at this point as it is just going down like there's no tomorrow. But we're still holding and hoping. So up until our stop loss is hit around this area, we are still in the game. We're still in the game. So that's one thing we need to keep in mind. Which other pair have I not looked at? Well, we also have in New Zealand CAD. We seem to be going to our stop loss, but we'll see what happens next at this point. Anything can change. That's one thing I've noticed about these markets. Even when we are in like a very strong pullback, even 90% pullback, the market can reverse. Like just at this point, we're like 98% in this pullback from our entry. So there's a possibility that it can even reverse going back to the upside and actually hitting our take profit. So this is where you actually are tested by the market to see how patient you are. Yeah. Oil, we are seem to be going to the downside slightly. Our aim is still here at 65.80 per barrel, so we hope we do reach that area. Yeah, so as of now, I think we have covered all the pairs that we had to look at. Maybe I can actually look at Aussie Swiss and see what really Rare was looking at. So I think she was in a sell. Yeah, she must have been definitely in a sell because there's been a very sharp move to the downside. But same scenario,
Which
Cat
one was
Swiss
that?
is yeah.
Which one was
So
that?
you're in a sell position, am I correct?
You know it.
Yeah,
You
so yeah, it's the same scenario with CAD Swiss, I believe. Yeah, but Aussie Swiss had more pressure to the downside as compared to yeah, Aussie CAD Swiss. Yeah. I'm actually done. I'm actually done. Okay, so Akim is asking what is the stop loss on the gold trade? Um, well, the stop loss on the gold trade currently is, where is that? The stop loss is 2534. So it's just at the previous low, which we had in November. So I cannot really say that gold is now bearish. We may actually have some upside movements, especially as the year begins. So yet to see where that goes. Then if we do have some upside movement, which is most likely, because I saw an article saying, I don't know if it was Goldman Sachs, they're actually saying that gold may actually reach $3,000 per ounce in the year 2025. So it is possible. It is possible. So that is probably a goal we can all look at. Yeah. So we might change our focus from Bitcoin and now actually put it on gold since the target of 100,000 has been reached. Yeah. Okay. You are most welcome, Akeem. That 200 billion promise of contribution from Japan and rate cut really has powered the American dollar. I think inauguration is going to be another explosion. Yeah, most definitely. So you have to be careful when Trump is sworn in. Like, make sure you have your stop losses ready and you're not risking more than you should. Yeah, so that's the practical advice. Yeah. Right, Ria, you can come out from hiding. I've now caught you.
Hello, Governor. Hello. All right.
Yes.
Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Hold on one
What is
second. You guys ready? Wait for it. All right.
this the promo?
Boo! I forgot to promote. Y'all. Man, did we get everybody's pairs? Is there anything else that you guys want us to look at before we head out?
Tamir Johnny is asking how much equity of the account. The account actually started at 50,000, took it up to 90, back at 70. So yeah, literally almost doubled it in what, 4 months? Yeah, so yeah, no, unfortunately,
Yeah.
it is not OFP funded. It's just a demo. Just a demo. Yeah,
Yeah.
by C Trader. So yes, unless
Right.
people want us to be doing live trade.
Yeah. I mean, unfortunately, I don't know. I mean, this might change in the future, but for those of us who work for OFP, to our knowledge, we can't trade with OFP. I guess it's considered a conflict of interest for us to do so. So,
Yeah.
yeah. We used to trade with OFP though, and then we started working for OFP, so now we can't trade with OFP. But yeah. So we got
Yeah,
to
indeed.
trade our own money or trade someone else's money somewhere else. No.
Or you can trade demo money. Yeah, and you guys don't know. Maybe this demo account is actually connected to my live account. You don't know.
Yes, Akeem. I know. I know. Maybe it'll change though, which would be super nice because then it would be awesome to live trade with you guys using an OFP account.
Yeah, definitely,
I
definitely.
mean, I think we can do that anyway, technically,
Yeah,
even if we didn't get paid out on it, now that I think about it. Oh no. 2025 go, Barry. What do you think? I mean, Nick.
yeah, sure.
Nick.
Akim says it would be amazing.
Yeah, we'll have our own OFP TV, live TV, and we just come on here and trade. We may plan that. We may
All
plan
right.
that. We want to do it big in 2025. Okay, guys. Well, if you guys have no other pairs for us to look at, I guess that's it. Akeem, I don't know how much you've missed since you've been moving to Florida. But we do have a major promotion going on. For those of you who do not know, it is the biggest, best promotion, honestly, we've ever done. And I'm not just saying that, it really is. So up to 60% off on our accounts. And that means that our big accounts, like our 100K and our 200K, are literally instantly funded for the same you might pay for a challenge, a one phase, two phase challenge. We're looking at about $400 US dollars for a 100K, 5% daily drawdown, 80% profit split, and about 800. Oh, by the way, those are for the monthly payout models. And maybe a little bit more if you do biweekly. And the 200K is at 799. 799 for 200K instant funded, 5% daily drawdown, 80% profit split. Are you kidding me? So yeah, go get your capital and set yourself up for success in 2025, friends. The promotion is going on for the remainder of the month of December, going up till January 5th. So sounds good, Akeem. Well, whatever you get, we support you. And any way we can support you in your journey, let us know. Anything else, Nick?
Well, Tamir Jan says, does the gold make a retrace? If yes, up to how much? Well, it's retracing right now is all I can say. And it can go as far as it wants, but I think gold has a go at this point to reach like 3,000. Yeah, so just like Goldman Sachs have already mentioned about the 3,000 go on gold, I do think the retracements won't be that deep. We already had one deep retracement all the way to November. So I think right now we're still holding and we may go to the upside, which is great. So yeah, I'm really thinking this trade will hold and not hit stop loss. Yeah, so take profit it is all the way to close to 2,800. Yeah. Okay.
Was that gold, Nick?
Yeah, he was talking about gold.
I think I'm gonna do that until I get used to it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get used to it because when we're live, I don't call you that. I mean, when we're not live, I don't call you that. But
Okay. Yeah, the 1 day chart looks like to start retracing soon. Yeah, well, anything is possible, Akeem. Anything is possible.
Mm-hmm.
But of course, you need to make sure you're not risking more than you should. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty.
Absolutely. Risk what you're willing to lose. Always protect your capital.
Yes, capital preservation, number one.
Absolutely. Well, I think that's all for today.
Okay.
Other than that, we will be back on Sunday. Hold on. Tamor has a question for you.
John.
Tamor Jan.
Yeah. He's asking any advice regarding gold trade. Right now, like I said, my bias is to the upside, not downside. So this shock that is just happening in the market may be absorbed by gold in the next few days. We're yet to see. But as usual, you can be joining us every week on Wednesday and Sunday. And yeah, you see what we say. And oh yeah, Akeem. Yeah, he's definitely looking for an entry. He can enter now and put his stop loss at 2534. It's still fine. Yeah. We're not giving a signal. We don't give financial advice. So yeah. Just putting out there.
That's a
Yeah.
good point.
So yes. So yeah, it's totally up to you. It's totally up to you. We just tell you what we see, what we're looking to enter and be interested in. And yeah, we just play it out.
Mm-hmm. All right. Well, we'll be back on Sunday, the 22nd, to take a look at what's going on next week. Obviously, next week is Christmas on Tuesday or Wednesday, Barry?
Wednesday? It's on a Wednesday.
See, I messed up. I'm sorry, Nick.
We have a analysis though.
Do you want to have an analysis this Sunday? I mean, it's
The markets will be closed.
really the markets won't be running
Yeah.
on the 23rd.
Well, the markets will be running on 23rd and 24th.
Yeah, but
But
Christmas. I'm not talking about
okay.
Christmas Day. I'm not talking about Christmas Day. Obviously, we won't come back next Wednesday because it's Christmas Day and the banks will be closed. I'm talking about this Sunday.
Oh yes, yes, yes. Of course, of course.
Yeah, so
We
we'll
will.
be here Sunday, but we won't be here next Wednesday. We'll be somewhere
Mm,
eating turkey and whatever else we eat on Christmas Day and taking a
exactly.
nap.
Uh-huh.
All right, guys, it is such a pleasure. Thanks for coming to hang out with us and talking with us. Thank you for being our friends and our family. And of course, you guys know where to find us if you need anything. So let us know. And enjoy the rest of your week. Happy trading, and we'll see you on Sunday.
All right. Bye-bye, everyone.
Ciao.